Okay, class, good afternoon. Okay, hi online learners. Okay, we'll start our discussion for today, day 1. But before that, let me introduce myself. No? I'm Mr. Jason Capistrano. I'm a certified public accountant and been in the industry for more than a decade. I passed the board exam on October 2010. So basically, my experience is already more than a decade. No? So my first job was in an accounting firm, and that's why my experience was solidified on the accounting 101, the basic accounting, the fundamentals of accounting, the bookkeeping, the debit and credit, the accounting equation, so on and so forth. No? And I also worked as an internal auditor in an insurance company, having visited so many branches all over the nation. No? I've been into Mindanao, Visayas, and all major cities in the Philippines. No? And I work as an accounting supervisor in an accounting company. And now, currently working as an accounting manager of TCL Online Services Incorporated, the call center arm of TCL Appliances. Remember the TCL, we have the television, the air condition, the washing machine, all kinds of appliances. No? And yeah, basically that's my... by the way, I'm also teaching at PUP Binyan Campus, just near here. I currently teach taxation, accounting, and even auditing. No? So yeah, I think that's it for me. No? So I will ask, what's your name? Juan Carlos Dizon, no? To kindly introduce yourself. Okay? Pwede pong Tagalog, okay lang.
Hi sir, I'm Juan Carlos Dizon, and currently po ay meron po akong business na Gcash and yung Dan Eric's Ice Cream. Recently ko lang po
Dan
namin siya
Eric's?
na franchise. Kami
Wow.
po lang dati ko. And
Wow.
then,
Shout to class, Dan Eric daw.
Hindi na. And bumalik lang po ako sa pag-aaral para mas mabigyan ko po ng magandang kinabukasan yung anak ko tsaka sa akin na rin po.
Okay.
Yun lang po.
Yun yung ano. So, anong future plans mo?
Future plans ko po ay once na nakatapos po ako ng bookkeeping is magwo-work po ako and sana po ay may tuloy ko po hanggang CPA. And then in the future po bala ko rin po ay mag-business ng malaking business po talaga. Ng mga poultry, mga fruits, mga ganun. Parang farms.
Ayos. Okay, thank you, Juan Carlos Dizon. No? So hopefully kayo mga nasa online, no? We'll meet each other, no, next week, next meeting, no? And makilala ko pa kayo up close and personal, no? So yeah, for today, ano lang muna tayo since day 1 to. So usually introduction lang ng topic, no? So we have here partnership and corporation for our accounting 2, no? So, intro to partnership is one. So, first we will define what is partnership. Partnership is two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with the intention of dividing profit among themselves. No? Or another definition is two or more persons may also form a partnership for the exercise of a profession. Example nito class, na makaka-relate kayo. For example, ikaw, Juan Carlos Dizon, no? Sabi mo gusto mo maging CPA, ibig sabihin kukunin mo yung mga additional units from business management to Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Now assuming nakapasa ka, na nakapag-board exam, pumasa sa board exam, so magiging CPA ka na, full-fledged, no? So once you became a CPA, pwede kang makipag-partner sa isa pang certified public accountant. Diba sabi lang naman, two or more. Ibig sabihin, pag nakipag-partner ka dun sa isang CPA na yon, pwede na kayong magtayo ng accounting firm or bookkeeping firm. Pero sa libro, mas kilala siya as tinatawag na public accounting firm. When you say public accounting firm, ibig sabihin hindi literal na public, kundi para ma-emphasize na yung mga kliyente mo is mga private corporations, pwede rin educational institutions, pwede rin cooperative, depende sa magiging kliyente nyo. So, basta yun yung perfect example ng general professional partnership. Ang ibig sabihin nun, ang pinaka-purpose nun is to practice yung profession. Sa case mo, kung maging CPA ka nga, yun yung magiging profession nyo, to provide accounting services as a partner. So, dapat makukuha ka pa ng isa or dalawa na CPAs para maging ka-partner mo sa itatayo yung accounting firm or bookkeeping firm. Okay? Lalo na nabanggit mo yung Dan Erics. So, maganda yun kung meron na kayong accounting firm para at least yun na yung mag-formal mag-handle ng financial transactions ng business nyo na Dan Erics. No? Masarap yung class, yung ice cream na Dan Erics. Matagal ko na siyang natitikman. I think college pa lang ako, naririnig ko na yung Dan Erics. Matagal na yun. Kung college pa ako, sabi ko nga, more than a decade na ako nagtatrabaho. So, ibig sabihin, gano'n na siya ka-establish yung Dan Erics. No? Na-promote ko talaga. No? Okay, yun. Yung basic definition ng partnership. Siyempre, two or more persons bind themselves. When you say bind themselves, ibig sabihin, meron kayong agreement or contract. No? Anong gagawin? To contribute money, syempre may capital, magko-contribute kayo ng money, property, pwede rin property, pwede rin equipment, or industry. Pag sinabing industry class, ibig sabihin nito, industrial partner siya, ang i-contribute niya is yung kanyang services. Kaya siya tinatawag na industry. No? Sa example ko kanina, pwedeng yung isa doon hindi magbigay ng pera, na kapital, pero ang ibibigay niya is yung kanyang serbisyo. Anong serbisyo? Bilang pagiging isang Certified Public Accountant or CPA. Isang example lang yan. Another example is, kapag yung negosyo nyo naman is mayroong kasamang notaryo, notarial services, ibig sabihin, yung pwede mong maging kapartner doon is lawyer. So yung lawyer, pwede maging arrangement nyo na, sige, huwag ka na mag-contribute ng pera, pero ikaw ang pipirma ng lahat ng mga related sa mga legal documents. Yung mga notaryo, kontrata, deed of sale, real property, mga ganun. Siya yung pipirma. So, hindi siya nag-contribute ng money, hindi rin siya nag-contribute ng property, pero pwede siya mag-contribute ng kanyang industry or yung kanyang serbisyo bilang isang abogado. Okay? To a common fund with the intention of dividing profit among themselves. Siyempre naman, Blas, di ba? Very obvious na kapag meron ka business undertaking, ang intention mo is magkaroon ng kita or profit, di ba? Okay, next. General professional partnership, nauna ako, ito yung dapat kanina, two or more persons act as partners in the practice of their profession. Yun nga, yung dalawang CPA or pwede rin namang mga lawyer, no? So kung lawyers yung nagtayo ng partnership, ibig sabihin, hindi sila accounting firm, kundi law firm. Diba? Law firm. Okay. Common examples are practice of law, public accounting,